Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how powerful Awber can be if you want to use it just for email marketing purposes, or if you want to replace expensive software like, let's say, Clickfunnels maybe, I don't know, Builderall, something like that. You can create a simple landing page on Awber that you can mirror what you're doing in Clickfunnels all in one place. So, just a little bit before I get started, my name's Kenny Wilson, and my channel is called Side Hustle for Dads. So I'm a regular father trying to, I have a full-time job and I'm trying to make money on the side. So I have these YouTube videos that I'm producing that I hope they give you valuable content. And I usually release one once a week. So if you guys like the video that I'm going to present to you here in a minute, and if you find the content valuable, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the little bell so you can get alerted on any new content that I bring out. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Again, this is all, in my other videos, this is all unedited, so you'll probably see some bloopers. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. So here's my Clickfunnels account. This is what I use. The cheapest plan they got is $97, which for people that are starting out, obviously that's not going to cut it unless you start making money right away. But that's usually very rare. So you use the free trial for 14 days, or what you can do is you can use Awber. Awber is a little bit cheaper. It's about $16 a month for the pro version, and that's basically an all-in-one. You can create your email lists in there. You can create landing pages. You can also create multiple linked pages. So, like, let's say some people have created what's called Linktree, I believe. Yeah, I had it at one point. What happened with Linktree, I don't know if it's with every website, but I know with at least TikTok that they don't play nice together. So there would be a not secured on your link when someone would click the link in your bio and it'd bring up your Linktree, it would say not secure. Well, in the affiliate marketing world, you don't want to go to a website that says not secured, right? So anyways, there's a way to replace that as well, and I probably should have mentioned that in the beginning of the video. We're going to be doing two things today. We're going to be creating the multi-link from based on our Clickfunnels, if you want to keep Clickfunnels, and we're also going to create a simple landing page that you can use to promote any product that you want. So, anyways, this is Clickfunnels if you guys don't already know, and then here's all my sales funnels that I have. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to go to Awber, and we're going to just go ahead and let me go to the dashboard. So this is my dashboard and my account, and then as you can see, the active list right now I have is one of the products I promote, which is PLR. Yeah, I got a website that I have, and then I also have Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough list that I have created. So you can create multiple lists on here, and you can have up to 10,000 subscribers or more. I think it's unlimited, actually, if you get the pro. You can always, and then you can always do whatever you need to do with your list right here. You can go to your list settings and create custom messages, broadcast messages, email follow-up series. So you can do your email follow-up series once you capture their email. You can also do a follow-up series, and you can also create a landing page, which we're going to show you today. So I'm going to go to my Freedom Breakthrough list, which I have one created. I just kind of want to show you, but I'm going to delete it, and we're going to go from scratch on this one. So if we go to landing pages, you can see I didn't really name this one because I was kind of just messing around with it. But as you can see, you can post multiple links on here, and you can also put your picture, whatnot, and a background, all that good stuff. And then you can also put your sign up form down here as well, so people can subscribe to your list. That's one way to do it, but how I have it tied in is with Clickfunnels. But like I said, you don't need to use Clickfunnels if you create a multi-link list like this. you can just have them sign up to a web form right here, or you can also create tell these buttons to actually take them to an opt-in page that you can actually create a separate landing page in Awber. But I'm not going to go over that today. I'm just going to kind of go over the basics of this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. Let me get out. Let me unpublish it, and let me delete. Oh no, delete! Just kidding. Okay, so as you can see, I also made another one. That's my website, Average Joe Lifestyle. I kind of was playing around with this one too, but I'm going to go ahead and just create a new landing page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here to create new landing page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way down till you're going to see this one right here, a link list. So if we hit a preview, you can already see how it comes pre-populated. And then you can leave it like that. I mean, I like this background. It's kind of cool, right? Or you can choose any background that you want. So we're going to go ahead and exit out of that and choose this. And we're just going to kind of start replacing things on here. So obviously that's not me. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our, that's what we're going to start off with first, is we're going to replace this image. And you can go to the image gallery, and they have all these preloaded lists. I mean, Jesus, there's like 5 pages of them. You can use whatever one you want. For myself, obviously for affiliate marketing, this is the one I use on my website, and you know, you can use this. You can upload your images, obviously. But I'm going to make it a thumbnail, so it's a little bit smaller, and you can kind of drag it a little bit to however big you want. For this right here, the social handle, you don't have to. You can do that if you want. If you want to put your TikTok right there, you can just highlight and put a link here to your TikTok. But see down here, if you scroll to the bottom, there's already social links here. So you got your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and your LinkedIn. So what I like to do is I just like to put, you know, Average Joe Lifestyle. And then you can kind of just, you know, I'm just right now for demonstration purposes, just kind of playing around with it. But you can, you know, you can put a little bio about yourself or what have you. You know, you can make it as big or little as you want. So I'm gonna leave it like that, lifestyle. Maybe links below to other adventures. I don't know. Sounds kind of cool. What you can do, and then for the design on over here, if you want to keep this background, that's fine. Or what you can do is you can kind of you can play around with this. So if you go down to like I think it's appearance. Let's see, appearance. No, it's give me a second here, guys. Let me figure this one out. Is it under design? Background color. I mean, you can change the background color to whatever you want. You know, right now it says none, and then like right here, background color. You can change it to red, what have you. Reset it back to what it was. And there is a way to, just got to remember how to do it. Give me a second, guys. Let me figure out how to do it. Okay, so it's actually it's under page right here. So at the top there's a little link right here and it'll say page. So this is where your page is, and you can change the background to whatever you want. Like right now it's right here. You can actually remove the image, and then that would put it on, you know. And then you can also, so see how kind of like, and then you can browse for a file. If you have one you want to upload, or you can go to the image gallery, go to stock images, and let's just choose, like, I don't know, it's not a blog, Sandy Beach maybe, I don't know. That's let's see, that's kind of cool. We'll use this one. So see how it instantly changes. So that's pretty cool. The one thing I did forget is let's go ahead and name it. So you can just call it. It's under your freedom. It's tied into your freedom breakthrough or your list that you create. So what you're going to do first is you're going to create your list, right? And then you can go to your landing pages, and then those two are integrated together. So if you were to put your sign up form that's down here, if you were to put subscribe to my newsletter down here, they're going to subscribe to that list because the list is already active. You don't have to link anything like that. It's already, once you create the list, you go to landing page, that list is already integrated. So if you wanted to create a new list, then you would just create a new list. And I can show you guys that real quick. So if I go to save and exit, right now it's called Untitled Landing Page. But if you go to let's go back to our dashboard, and if you wanted to go to lists, and then you can actually just create a new list. Let's just say, I don't know. You can put whatever you want. Sender, next step. You would set up all your, once you set up your list and what the reply is from. So let me go back to that real quick. So this is, this one's already pre-set up. This is my domain right here. You don't have to have a domain, but it is recommended. And I can put a link down below of Bluehost to use. Really great service, really easy, user friendly to do. You don't need a lot of techie stuff. They have, you get stuck. They're there 24/7 to answer your questions. So I'll put a link down below. If you want to actually create a domain, or if you already have one, you can set it up this way too. So and then you put your sender email, which is my sender email. And then what would you like to name your list? So you can I'm just going to call it test for right now, and then you can put it however you want. This is a test, and then you can also, this is your custom attributes, and then you can also change this too. So this is what they see when they subscribe to your list. It says please click the button below to confirm your subscription, and then you approve the message and create the list. So now we have a brand new list, right? So you can see up here our active list says test. So anytime you want to switch, you just you can also create your list from here. I didn't see that, but we're going to go back to our freedom breakthrough, then go back to our landing page, our multiple link that we're creating, and we're going to go back in here, and I'm just going to call it my freedom list. So I kind of use this list a lot for my affiliate marketing, what I promote, usually like Legendary Marketer and Jonathan Montoya's 3-day business builder challenge. So we have this. You can also change. Let's change this font then, and make it maybe black, I guess. Let's see if that helps. No, that's actually worse. So maybe let's see what's a good purple, good dark purple. Let's see. So maybe this isn't the best background image to use, but you can play around. I'm going to go ahead and reset the background, because what you can also do is we can make the opacity go down a little bit. So actually, let's do that instead. So let's make the opacity go down. Let's make it there we go. That looks a lot better. So, and then you can also bold this. You can create. Let's see if that makes it a little bit better. Let's make it white. Let's see what happens. Okay, maybe black. Probably should have chose a better background for the demonstration purposes. Okay, that's better. So now we got that kind of set up, right? And then again, you can change the background to whatever you want. We're going to go down here to our buttons. So these are our buttons, and what I'm going to do is, this is real easy, guys. I'm going to just do what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sales funnel that I have already set up with Clickfunnels, and I'm going to just put the sales funnel URL in here so that it takes you to the sales funnel, which then you have your sign up form and everything like that. What you can do, and it is just put your affiliate link right here, and you could do it that way. But you wouldn't be collecting their email unless they came down here. So for the sake of this this tutorial, what you could do is you could just put a different URL page, which would, if you wanted to create a new landing page and just in like an simple opt-in form, it would take them to that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to change this to 3-day business builder challenge, and let's make that bold. There, that looks pretty cool. So we got that. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go over to my Clickfunnels, and I'm going to grab my Freedom Breakthrough. And again, I'm just doing this for simplicity, and to show you. But you can, I mean, there's so much other things you can do on this, guys. So I'm going to paste my URL in there, and then what I'm going to do is don't worry about that miscellaneous error. That usually always comes up. You can, I think it's a bug that they have, and but yeah, you can just kind of. You can also change the shape of the button if you like. You can make it square, no shape. You know, you can change the color of the background, the hover. See how the hover says it comes like that. I'm gonna leave it alone, but you can come in here and you can change the color of the button to, like, let's say red. You can change it to red, and then hover. Let's change it to red again, so it kind of like lights up like that. So you can change it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and reset it back to what it was, because it kind of looks cool when it's lit up like that. Okay, so now we got that one, and then that's just it. So you just, however many links you want. So let's say there was only one link on here, right? So what you can do is you can just go ahead and delete these buttons, but you want to create a new button. Well, you can just come over here and hit copy, and that'll give you an exact same button. So you can just create one button instead of if you wanted to just change, like, the keep it all uniform, right, with the same color scheme. Then you just you can just keep copying until you stinking Windows. So now this one we'll just put 15. Actually, let's move that. 15-day challenge legendary, and then again make it bold. And then what we would do here is we would just go ahead back to our, or your affiliate link, whatever you want to put in there. So you can just put whatever you want in here. So that's not the one I was looking for. So we have this one here, and then you just go ahead and put that in here. I'm going to save an exit. I didn't mean to save an exit, but so now you see his freedom list. You can also, if you want, you could actually, another cool thing about this is if you have a different list that you want to use multiple links in, you can copy to any one of your lists that you create. So you see I have my multiple lists here. You can copy this landing page to multiple lists. So you can technically just make one landing page and put it in a bunch of your lists and have it uniform on all the same ones. So I'm gonna go back in here and I'm gonna show you one more thing, and then what we do is we're gonna actually publish this, and then we're gonna take a look. So as you can see, your newsletter, let's change the button to white. will be like a, what was it, a recently used purple. And let's make it bold. Then you don't have to leave this on here, guys. You can go ahead and delete the Awber thing. I think for the free version though, I don't know if you can remove it or not. But I know in the free version you can actually the templates are all there. So if you don't want to pay for the pro, you can actually. But why wouldn't you want the pro? Because you can the only caveat with the pro is or the free Awber list is you only get one list. So if you want to create multiple lists, you need to have the pro version. I mean, $16 a month as compared to $97 for Clickfunnels. You know, it's a win-win in my book. So anyways, down here, obviously you can put your, I can go here and put my links that I have. So I can just edit the YouTube one. And then right here, this is where you would paste in your YouTube links. So that's all where your social media profile is going to be. So let's go ahead and save and exit. We're going to test this out real quick. I'm going to go ahead and publish. It's going to give you a long list. Now, what you can do with this long list is you can go to bit.ly.com and shrink it if you want. If you don't want to put this in like your TikTok bio or something like that, you can go to bit.ly.com and check that, and then put it in there, and it'll create a shortened list for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and then as you can see, I got all this, and then this should take me to, boom. So here's my, and then it's all set up right here through Clickfunnels. Again, you don't have to do it with Clickfunnels. You can get rid of Clickfunnels and just go to a regular sample page, landing page, and do it from there, right? So all you would have to do is just create a new landing page and then do the same thing. Set up the landing page with an opt-in form. Or you can actually, let's go ahead and just create a landing page real quick. I don't want to keep you guys too long, but you can do like, I'll just do one, like, let's look for like a simple opt-in page. It's like a book promotion, sell a product. I mean, there's all kinds of good templates that they have you can use. I mean, let's just use this, simple sign up. If we choose this, now what this will do is this will link to your list that you have currently, your current list. And then right here, you guys can do right here, and then this sign up button. Once you go to the form, it'll sign everyone up, and you can actually there is a way that you can so what you would do is you'd actually go over here to what the button's going to do, which is submission. And you can change this to a custom URL, and then I can go ahead and just put in my affiliate link right here. What do I have right here? I don't know. You can put that in there, and then once they click that button over there, so if we save this and we go ahead and publish this, now we can just copy this URL, go into our freedom list, and in theory, this should change to that, right? We save and exit. Let's go ahead and publish because we have to save our change. And then you can see right here it's kind of got like a mobile view, which is kind of cool. So if we go here to our freedom list, there, boom, goes to your landing page. So you can, I mean, there's a simple and easy way you can switch it around. So that's basically all that I really have. Again, you can use Clickfunnels if that. I mean, it is the thing about why Clickfunnels is so expensive, right? Is because it's the ease of use. But I think that was pretty easy. I mean, you can play with this background back here, and you can do whatever you want and create your own landing page that way. What we can do is I'll show you another one of my landing pages that I made as a test. I just kind of went through it. You can also build it from scratch. So if I go like to my PLR, another one that I'm promoting, This one's actually pretty cool too, guys. This one has like 6 different affiliate or 6 different programs dealing with launch jacking, golden ticket, and what have you. But as you can see, you can literally build one from scratch. So, and that's what I did on this one, which you can kind of see mirrors my my one that I have for on Clickfunnels, right? So you can put your email address and then click grab your copy now, and that'll take you to, let me go back. So if I go to this one and I see how it says please fill out this field. So if I just put Kenny Test at gmail.com, you know, it'll take it to my affiliate link. And obviously it's got the CAPTCHA on it. So anyways, so then I would send a confirmation email and it would take you, but I mean, so let me go back, let me just put test 1. Just for this, I mean, that's the way it's supposed to work. But this is, I've already did this as a test. That's the reason why you're seeing it like that. And then that takes you immediately to the offer. So not only did you grab their email, but you also took them to your affiliate offer. So you can literally use Awber for $16 a month. If you're looking to save a little bit of money, that's how you can do it. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much all that I have. I was going to show you how to create one from scratch. I mean, it's pretty easy. If you've used Clickfunnels or Builderall or DropFunnels in the past, it's all the same. You've got your text editor, you've got your elements that you can drop in there, what have you. So I won't go into, because I've already taken up enough of your guys' time, I won't go into full details. If you want me to create one from scratch, comment down below and I can put out another video that shows how I just created that one and kind of mirrored it from my Clickfunnels account using just a regular affiliate link. So I'll put the rest of the links down below for Awber and for the other ones if you guys are interested at all in the other stuff that I do. And also Bluehost if you want a domain. Again, yeah, you do want a domain because if you use a free email account, so most of the time it's going to go to spam. If you send somebody a marketing email or a follow-up email, it's going to go to spam. That's the reason why you want a domain registered to your email address. That way, you don't have to. But again, if you are either new, then there is a tutorial on that. Awber gives that how you connect to your get a domain and connect to it. And you can also use Bluehost again. I use Bluehost. Bluehost is great. I actually transferred over from HostGator because it's just pricing was better for me and it was just easier to use. So anyways, that's all I have, guys. If you liked what I showed you today, was valuable for you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and that's really all I have. Take care.